Let's do a different style of a recipe today. I'm going to show you how to do custard tarts. For this recipe I'm using 180 grams zero flour. Zero flour is the wheat flour too, but it's really fine. Instead you can use plain flour. 75 grams sugar, 1 egg and a tart case like this. Teaspoon vanilla, 80 grams butter, pinch of salt and half a teaspoon of baking powder. So let's start. This is for the tart case and I'm going to show you the filling ingredients. For the filling I am using 3 eggs, a teaspoon vanilla, 75 grams sugar, 200 milliliters milk plus 50 milliliters cream. I added both together, and 40 grams zero flour or plain flour. So let's start doing this. So add the flour into a mixing bowl. Into that add the butter, the egg, salt and the sugar. Then add the baking powder and mix it on a low speed. Once it comes to this consistency, take it out. After, make a ball like this and leave it in fridge. Next, take the same mixing bowl and into that add the milk and the cream. Then add the sugar and the vanilla. Now mix it well until the sugar dissolves. Now it's the time to add the eggs one by one and let it mix properly, but don't whisk it. That's why I'm using the paddle attachment without using the whisk attachment. After, put this into a pot and cook it, stirring continuously until it thickens. So the custard is ready and I cooked it until it thickens like this. Don't cook it like rock hard, it has to be like a consistency like this as it is. It will cook in the oven again. So leave it to cool down. Meantime, let's do the pastry. Get the pastry out from the fridge and put some flour onto the bench or onto a baking paper and press it down. Use your rolling pin and make a circle to cover your tart case. So grease the tart case and take the pastry and put it over the case like this. Then press down, keeping the baking paper on. After making the tart case, it will look like this. So use a fork and prick the bottom of the pie like this. You have the leftover pie dough, take it out and put it back again on the baking paper. Put some flour onto both sides and then roll it to the size of the tart case again to cover after. So I'm going to put this in the fridge. After, take the pie crust out and whisk the custard again and pour it into the middle of the pie crust like this and spread it nice and even. So after, get the other leftover pastry and put it on top of that. Press it nicely. And get it out. So when you press, the pastry comes out and that's done. So that is the custard tart that goes into the oven. If you like to do a decoration in the middle, feel free to do anything from the leftover pastry, or you can leave the leftover pastry to get another time in the freezer. So I finished adding a border to the pie and this is how it looks like. You can egg wash or you don't need to egg wash actually. You can just put this in the oven, so there's no waste at all. So this is the custard tart I did and this is really nice and soft in the middle, crunchy outside and not that hard outside too. So can serve this with a nice cup of tea or even with whipping cream or ice cream as a dessert. Thank you for watching.